Hey guys, welcome to this video. And in this video, I'm going to see if a 3D printed knife can compare with a real knife. Here we go. Alright, I hope you guys can see this, but I just did a quick draft. All these are is like two wedges. One here, and then this over here is a square. And this in the front is just two wedges cut in half. And then I just quickly drew it up, and it's all flat on the bottom. But I just wanted to see like how it would compare to a just a normal knife, because it doesn't have to be anything fancy. So yeah. Alright, so it's freshly off the print. We have our 3D printed part. As you can see, it's not a perfect knife. It's not symmetrical, but there is an issue. It goes Alright, anyhow, yeah. So before I break it and goofing off on accident, I am going to go try to kill this Mountain Dew box. I would be killing pizza boxes, cueing the other video where I destroyed pizza boxes.
Hold with it and I hope it's gonna do something. So here we go.
Killing pizza boxes, but we didn't have it. So Mountain Dew box. We're gonna have the first test with the knife I took the measured off of. I'm gonna put this on the desk back here, and we're gonna my hands out of the way if you guys wanted to know. See, it cut it, and as expected. It's metal. It's gonna cut the thing, whatever. I'm gonna put this down there out of the way. Wait. Ha. Alrighty. Conclusion. Do not make 3D printed knives. They go like this. If they're made out of metal, they would work, but no 3D printed knives, because this happens. But you know what you could do? You could stab your box with the real knife, and then stick the 3D printed knife in like that, and say, ha, I split the box with my 3D printed knife. Well, conclusion. The conclusion is metal, good. 3D print, bad. She's good.